returning back home from doing our furnace service call in South Gillies. It's now dark out and we're on the road trying to find our way home in the fog. It's even foggier now than it was earlier. We're on 595 heading north. For some reason the GPS is telling me that if I turn in 2 kilometers to turn right, which is not right. I have to turn left to get up to 590. And as you remember, there's the Green Acres store right there. And just past us. Oh, there's a stop sign. Whoa, baby! Whoa, okay. There's a stop sign. And we got Nallaloo, we got Stanley, we got Heimers. We go straight through on this one. Because the sign there is telling me Heimers straight ahead, Nallaloo, turn to my right to go to Nallaloo, 9 kilometers, Stanley 14 kilometers, turn to my right. I don't want to go to Stanley because I'm going home. And I have to go through Kekabeka. And I wish I had one of my LED light bars on here that I have how many in stock of them. And might be able to see something a little bit better, but you know, that's the way it goes. My windshield wipers have quit working. How fun. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a short video of this dark, foggy road. I just came off 608 onto 595. And very hard to see anything, how foggy it is. I don't know if we'll make Kekabeka or not to get gas, and we're on empty.
700 meters, then turn right on Highway 595.
Yes, he wants me to turn right on 595, which is wrong. I know I have to turn left because right is not right. We have to go over the 1-lane bridge up here, the Bailey Bridge at the museum. And it's telling me 400 meters to turn right, and I know that's not right. Here's the Bailey Bridge.
Into 150 meters. Turn right on Highway 595.
And there's the museum. Oh, I see why it's telling me to turn right, because it's just a little jog in the road over this way like that. Yeah. Yeah.
100 meters, then turn right on Highway 595. Turn right on Highway 595.
It is so foggy. And that says no exit. I don't know if it's going to show up here or not. No, it's too foggy to I can show. next time. Find our way home, and if we make it to Kekabeka for fuel. If not, well, I don't know what we're gonna do. But anyway, have a good evening, and I'm not sure what time it is, but it's well past 5:30. I know that. We got the job all done. We got the fuel tank all leveled out, the water drained out of it, and the fuel tank tilted back 2 inches back the other way so water stops going into the furnace. He's happy, I'm happy, and till next time, have fun, stay safe.